Namaste, Jai Bharat. When we look at world religions, it's possible for us to put religions into two categories. Basically, one, Bharat originated religions, which we call as Dharma. Sanatana Dharma, which is otherwise known as Hinduism, Jain Dharma, Bauddha Dharma, and Sikh Dharma, apart from innumerable sampradayas within Sanatana Dharma. Each sampradaya could be seen as distinct but not different. Mark this expression, distinct but not different, because they coexist just because of the Rigvedic Sukta of coexistence. Last Sukta. Then the other religions. This one category is Bharata origin religions, which we call as Dharma. Other one is outside Bharata origin. Again, religions per se belongs to East, not to West. The greatest, Judaism, Christianity and Islam fall in one tradition, getting this name people of the book. They are called as people of the book, all the three. Generally they are called as Semitic religions, and these days Semitism getting applied only to the Jews. Then again, within this outside Bharat religions, there are many other small religions which are something like sampradayas. These two things are there. Now, what does one get from religion? Everyone would answer that you get your quest to the transcendental gets met. The quest to transcendental is addressed through religion. Fine. The questions of after death are discussed in religion. Fine. How many people discuss? Once you discuss the questions of after death, who discusses the questions of before death? Before birth? Isn't it quite logical that if there is a question concerning after death phenomena, then don't you think it is normally logical that phenomena after death should be somewhere similar to that phenomena which existed before birth? I find it quite logical. And the conclusion is, since you do know nothing about phenomena before death, before birth, as you are today, then phenomena after death also you shall not know as you are today. On both the sides, before birth period and after death period, both remain unknown. In this situation, in between, you call it as in between, let's make. The concept of space is something like that, and concept of time is also something like that. They say it's infinite. Once it is infinite, any point should be middle point, because both the sides will continue to be infinite. So every point shall be in between. So your life point you can consider as an in-between point, that is from birth to death time. However long, however short it is. You do not know anything about what happened before birth, and you shall not know logically what happens after death. Both things shall not make any difference to one as we are alive today, because our experience experience both. We don't know about both. If we can know what is after death, we should have known what is before birth. That doesn't happen. So somewhere there are confusions. Somewhere there are lack of clarity. Some people say something which becomes not quite logical. where in practical level there are lot of promises of rewards in quite a few religions, especially the Semitic ones. It doesn't end there. There are promises of rewards, but then there are severe threats which should give you fear of punishment. Now, these two things must have nothing to do with religion per se. If you understand religion, as Rudolf Otto says, fundamental intentionality towards the sacred. Rudolf Otto says that religion is a fundamental intentionality towards sacred. So both fear of punishment and promises for reward should have nothing to do with this understanding of religion, and this is one of the appreciated understanding of religion by Rudolf Otto and Kitagawa like people. So, where mankind is getting confused, why mankind remains confused, I would speak later in some other time about the flexibility of Sanatana Dharma. Sanatana Dharma, not just Sanatana Dharma, all dharmas in Bharat. The flexibility and freedom. Let's keep it for some other discussion at some other time. So we shall meet again. Namaste. Jai Bharat, Jai Siya Ram.